we go into nature, mirrors position and perspective. We go into nature to find parts of ourselves that maybe we have lost or we're seeking to reclaim. What's up? This is Jonathan Paul Duncan at jpd.hlc. Today is the 21st of June, Father's Day. So I got back from the trip, left pretty early this morning, didn't get really any footage from coming back from Death Valley. I was fired and done. So just recapping my trip, had a terrific time. I learned a lot about myself. And this goes to what John Muir has spoken about. This isn't a woo-woo concept. This is very grounded and pretty chill. Is that we go into nature, mirrors position and perspective. We go into nature to find parts of ourselves that maybe we have lost or we're seeking to reclaim. And maybe this is why I went there. I like the fact that I explored and found out more about myself over the weekend, and I have a completely different skill set and mindset around surviving and just being out in the desert. 118 degrees for a prolonged period of time is some serious weather and climate. So Death Valley was a great teacher this weekend. I really appreciate it. The solstice was beautiful, it was amazing. The desert's beautiful and amazing. I had a terrific time, amazing experience. So I hope you liked watching the video. If you're interested, you want to come out, you want to explore yourself, you're looking for some part of yourself that you're not quite sure where it is, or you're just looking to explore, you want to go on your own vision quest, hit me up. I'd be more than happy to go with you. We could take a professional approach, we could take a homey approach, we could do a little bit of both, whatever it is. So if you want to go do this type of work that I'm doing with me, hit me up, be more than happy to do that, again, professionally or friendly. And then also, if you want to do some work with Kyle, hit him up, Addicted to Life, One Love. He does all the edits, makes all the videos. Pretty sweet. So thanks, Kyle. Thank you, guys. Have a terrific day. Good vibes.